Guys, we're about to let out the baby. Let's let him out. He goes out on that thing. Hi! Step up, step up, step up, step up, step up. No, I don't say step up for 1 foot. Step up, step up, step up. Baby, step up. Okay. That's not very useful, but okay. Step up. Now, can you please get your little bird butt on my hand? Up, will you get on? Up, he's on. All right. Hi, baby. Baby. Stop. Hi. Go up. But I want to show you guys a trick. Mom, can you hold this? Show me your wings. Show me your wings. Show me your wings. Good boy. All right, give it back. No, baby. No, Mom is getting the baby. Stop. Mom has the baby.
I just put him on the counter for you.
Hi, baby.
I don't think he likes the iPad very much.
Yeah. Also, I want to show you the new main antagonist of, or you can see it later when we do it, yeah. I'll just give you one secret. It's a Huggy Wuggy. You may think, oh, Leo, wait, you already added 2 Huggy Wuggies. Well, I added a 3rd one. Hi. What in the oogly boogly are you? Well, I'll just end the video with what in the oogly boogly are you doing, Mr. Baby?